Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Wazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazy Man Garage.
What's going on, guys? It's another beautiful day here in sunny, beautiful California. Sunny. So I had a problem. This is the cord to my grinder, right? It broke. So I cut it. And I took plug from this one. Rest in peace. It was a good buffer, but I mean, then again, it was only 35 bucks. And I Mickey Mouse the hell out of it. Electrical tape, heat shrink, and all that noise, and it works. So I just saved myself 30 bucks. Now, with that being said, I could start grinding on a lot of things because it was broken, so I couldn't really do much. I had to use those little disc, and they sucked really, really bad. So hopefully this will get done. Things done a lot quicker. Shout out to EG Chris 92 for sending me some flap discs because I completely ran out. And times are tough right now. Times are really tough. So buy a shirt, man. Now, I apologize. I know I don't film a lot of me doing processes of a lot of things, like when it comes to grinding and stuff like that. But you have to understand that filming takes time out of doing what I need to do. So if I just get it done, I can show you guys the end result of it. Because, I mean, grinding, if you know how to sand something, you know how to use a grinding wheel. And welding, I'm not the best, so I don't want to show off my skills because my skills are trash. So that's why I don't really show me welding, but I don't really show me grinding because I don't have any music to put on the montage, and it'd just be kind of pointless just to see a quiet video of me moving fast and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I don't really film a lot of me doing grinding, sanding, stuff like that. Plus, I use my phone for music and other things, so I use my phone more than 98% of the time during the day while I'm working, so I just have the headphones in because I don't want to fuck up my ears while I'm grinding, so I just have the headphones in. But if I'm not doing that and I'm like welding, I have the headphones on the Bluetooth, and I just work from there. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna get my jacket on and my gloves and my face mask, and I'm gonna start grinding the rear end because I started doing that already. This one. I grinded all of it smooth, and I just didn't like how it looked, so I came through and just did some solid welds that went all the way through, because I know it went through because it starts smoking on the other side. Also did it on this side here, so today what I'm going to be doing is grinding all this down smooth as much as I can, grinding this down just a little smooth, and I did it over here too because I already started working on this side, and I can see the line still of right here. This is where the line goes for the body, so I just wanted to redo that. This was all smooth already, but I just wanted to make sure that it was 100% connected to the actual frame of the car because this is a two-piece. And then I still have this line right here to do still. Don't know why I haven't done it yet because probably because I'm retarded, but still got a lot more to go. And then I could work on this area, so I want to get this area done first. I still got to remove all this seam sealer, but now that my grinder is working, I can use that wire wheel over there to get all of this seam sealer gone. Not sure if I want to go through here and do this. I might do it actually, but I might not do it like this. I'm just going to put spot welds on it. And I already know I'm going to mess up the whole paint like I did right there. So I'm just going to stop talking. I'm just going to get to it. So while I put my jacket on, here's a random thought for you guys. The first guy who heard a parrot talk probably wasn't okay for a few days. You know? Just food for thought. Crap, and I just realized that I only have maybe less than 40% of argon and CO2 in my tank. So hopefully that lasts longer than my parents' marriage, and I can get this done and get done what I need to do. So let's do it. Seam sealer. Gotta remove that first. I know this is gonna sound pretty messed up, but the entire time while I'm grinding in here, I kept feeling like somebody was staring at me, right? And this is what I saw. Grinding here, right? As you guys see that, I'm trying to get it all smooth and whatnot. And I keep seeing this brown thing, right? It's the tank. But I keep seeing it, and I keep thinking for some fucking reason, my grandpa's standing right here watching me. And I know he's inside, but it's because he's the same color as this thing. And I know that sounds racist as fuck, but I mean, it's my grandpa, so I mean, I could say it because I'm half Mexican. I just don't look as dark as him, but I thought it was him, and I'm like, I look up and I go, what's up? And then nothing. I was like, oh shit, I'm talking to a tank. I just showed my grandpa that clip. He thought it was funny. So, time to grind again. Yes, high five. If y'all ever stop out in California, In-N-Out, that's the place to be. But it's no bakers, but it gets the job done. Okay, so it's all grinded down. I still need to get one of those. Man, sorry Jimmy, but thing kind of gave out and the belt wobbles all over the place, so it doesn't really do what it's supposed to do. This is all grinded down too. Hi Mackie guy. This is all grinded down. I still need to take a light and shine it in from underneath the wheel well. And if I see any light protruding into the cabin, you weld it, because otherwise moisture will get in, and that's a no-no. I know for a fact this side is going to have light coming through. Well, I got a lot done today. I got a lot more to do tomorrow because I'm already losing daylight and it's getting cold out here. So I'm going to continue this video tomorrow. So with that being said, bang! I'm so happy because Chris, EG Chris 92, sent me some flap discs to help me. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. But he sent me flap discs so I can get my my work done. These are 60 grit. And these are going to cut down the welds really, really fast. So, thank you, Chris, for hooking it up with these. I got a lot of work to do now, guys. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Got Sick Again Garage. So, we have a lot of stuff planned Saturday. So, hopefully I get over being sick pretty quick. Because I got a lot to do. And I've been sick since last Thursday. And I've been coughing up stuff, hacking up stuff, and sleeping and getting cold sweats, so it hasn't been fun. So the goal is on Saturday to take apart the entire Integra in the backyard and get rid of it the same day. So we're going to be pulling the motor, which is for sale. The motor and trans is now for sale. The entire swap is for sale. Rear disc conversions for sale. If anybody's interested. This is only for pickup in San Bernardino. Unfortunately, I can't ship it to you because I don't, know how to ship something that huge. So, but yeah, hopefully I get over being sick. So, let's find out in a few days.